To reset an IP camera connected to our network with our device config tool, we first locate the camera we want. Let's say this camera with IP ending in 152. We'll come to the third column labeled config. Click on it and type in the IP address of that camera, which I've already done here. The media port, username, and the password, and click on Login. Once you click on Login, below you will see Login Successful. You can see that the Reboot button has been activated. We then come to Default, which is the third menu, select everything as I've already done here, and click on the Set button, which is at the bottom right corner. The status is going to change from Login Successful to Set Parameters Succeeded. Now the camera has been reset back to the default. You just need to wait for it to reboot and you are good to go. This is how to reset a camera using the IP config tool.